So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create a PayPal donation box or donation button. So first, you need to access any web browser or search engine, but in this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome because it is very convenient in my end. So after that, you'll be utilizing your search bar for you to be able to search for paypal.com and make sure to access your account. And for you to be able to access your account, just enter your correct credentials, and once you're in, it should look like this. So for you to be able to create the PayPal donation, so you just have to go under send and request or just simply click the request button. Once you click on the request button, you will redirect to this page. Since we are going to do a donation, you just have to go under more ways to request. And as you can see, we have pool money and start fundraiser. So you just have to click either the two, and then you can now create a button for donation on PayPal. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.